I think, in my opinion, we win because we play a really good match. I'm really sad, and I hope it's not so bad with Leggy, because of course we miss her. But Iona, she make a great job. She's young, and I think we're fighting really good together. So in my heart, we win, you know. And I'm really happy because we go now from the game step by step in this way. So and then we will see when we go to the next matches, and I hope we see again, and then we will take the 2 points. I think we have to win, and of course, I know the atmosphere in Germany. I know the trainer. He's totally yes. We come there and we play home, and I know he will give everything, and the people will be screaming. But we have to take this and to play this what we play today, and then I will expect a victory. And we have to look on us. We have to go our job, and we have to look that we go more and more together, and that we take the victory. And we're looking forward.
And I hope we will win against Budućnost on the Final Four this year.
This sounds very good.
Thank you.